Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to connect Wi-Fi in laptop. So if you want to connect your laptop to a wireless network or Wi-Fi or hotspot, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to connect Wi-Fi in laptop, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the start button. This could be on Windows 10 and it could be on Windows 11. On Windows 11, click on the start button here, and on Windows 10, click on the start button at the bottom left. Then select settings. Now click on network and internet. Then on the network and internet page, if your laptop is connected to Wi-Fi, then it should say connected, otherwise it's going to show not connected. Then come here, locate Wi-Fi and click on it. Once you click on Wi-Fi, turn on Wi-Fi network to be able to search and list available Wi-Fi network. Then once you turn on Wi-Fi, come here where you see show available networks and click on the drop menu. Now you're gonna see a list of network you can connect to if you know their password. Then go ahead and click on one of the networks. Then click on connect. Once you hit the connect button, you'll be prompted to type in the Wi-Fi password. Then go ahead and type in the Wi-Fi password. And once you're connected, you should see connected here. Then if you click on this pointed arrow on the network you're connected to, then you have information about the Wi-Fi network. To connect to this Wi-Fi automatically next time, all you need to do is come here, click on connect automatically when in range. Then you're good to go. So when next you have this Wi-Fi connection within the range, then your laptop will be able to connect to the Wi-Fi automatically. So that is basically how to connect Wi-Fi in laptop. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.